Hey guys, so here is the wig. It is from LuvMe Hair, affordable luxury wig. Inside came a nice note. The wig, of course, some good goodies. You got your rat tail comb, wrap. You got your bobby pins. You have a clip that says "Love Me," which is so cute. An extra adjustable strap and some tweezers. Also, 2 wig caps came with it, some hair instructions, and of course the wig, which I wanted to show you guys fresh out the box so you can see how it looks. Really curly, stretched. Of course we're gonna wash it, but it was very nicely packaged, and that's the adjustable strap that comes with it. And I just wanted to show you guys how I put my wig on under this thick hair. You guys know how thick my hair is, so basically cornrow my hair into 6 cornrows and use the ends and lift them up on towards the sides of my ear so it can lay flat. Now you just see me parting. The wig did come in a widow's peak, so I did have to adjust the hairline. I have no idea why I did that face. Please ignore that. I'm just putting some makeup on before I go ahead and glue down that wig. Sorry you can't see me that well. My mirror is right there, and the camera, the way it's positioned, you can't see it. But I'm basically, like I said, carving out my hairline so I can cut it. And now I'm using Got To Be Glued gel, and go ahead and glue that baby down. Just give you guys the details. Oh my god, I have so many great things to say about this hair, so let's just get right into it. First we're going to start with the packaging. The packaging was beautiful. It came in this beautiful box with all the goodies that I showed you guys earlier in the video. I never had or received a wig in this type of box, let alone all the goodies that I got in the box, which you guys seen earlier. It was just so well packaged, very well organized, and I couldn't ask for any more, honestly. The price it totaled up to be $139.90. I did use a random discount code on YouTube. Just look for LuvMe discount codes. It was 20% off, so then the total came up to $111.92. So that is not bad for a luxurious wig with Swiss lace that blends. Okay, people think that this is my hair, guys, because one, the length is believable, and two, the lace, y'all, the lace is so, let's just get right into it. The shipping, it took about a week, which isn't bad, about 3 to 5 business days. The type of hair, it is a jerry curl hair, and it is 10 inches. Yes, it's a bob. You can see it's very short. The lace, oh my god, like I said, the lace is superb, y'all. When I tell you, I'm not going back to any other lace besides Swiss transparent lace. It has to be the best of the best, because it's like it's like when you get treated better in a relationship, or better in general, where you accumulate so much self-love where you're just like, I'm not gonna go back to what I used to do. This is how I feel about this wig. I'm never gonna go back to any type of other wigs. This is it, guys, like, period. As far as like the cap sizing goes and everything, they don't really give you an option for that, because most of their wigs are built glueless, so they have a strap built inside of the wig so it can fit snug to your head, and this wig did fit perfectly on my head. It originally came with a widow's peak, but since I don't have one, I designed and cut it to my hairline. Another thing I want to say about cutting the lace off of this wig, I usually go in with a eyebrow razor because it creates this jagged like edge to the lace, so it looks more natural. But with these type of laces, immediately when I use the razor, you notice that it does not cut well at all. You have to go in with actual scissors. The reason why I do the razor, because I don't want a straight line across my head, but I realized later that you're gonna have to use scissors, which isn't bad because lace seamlessly blends in with your skin anyway. So that is something to take in consideration when installing if you're gonna do it yourself. And last but not least, this hair is a 360 wig. I didn't do the back because, yeah, I can, but I don't really plan on wearing this wig up, so it is what it is for the back. It's a bob, so I really plan on just wearing it down. But you can wear it up in a bun. I didn't really cut the lace too far up for me to show you guys actually how to do it, but that is definitely an option. And yeah, this is the end of this video, guys. Like this video if you love the hair. I love this hair. I wore it for about a week now and I'm in love with it. Literally, like I said, not going back. Not going back. This is wonderful. Great protective styles. As y'all know, I'm pretty much doing wigs all 2020. Maybe some braids in between, but I'm pretty much putting my hair in hibernation. I really want my hair to grow to its desired length. So these are great for growing out your hair. Just make sure that you take care of your hair underneath. Oiling that scalp every week and massaging your scalp every day. It doesn't have to be with oil, but just get that blood stimulating in your scalp, you know, because that promotes hair growth. Anyway, I'm off topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this far, give me a like, subscribe, thumbs up. Like this video if you want more wig review videos. I'm happy to review all types of wigs, so just let me know and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.